It's not the festive season yet, but in this locality in Mumbai, it's the festival time. Celebrations all around as 5-year-old Karnit came home after a fortnight of ordeal, a fortnight of complete desperation. But finally, Karnit is home, back with his parents. Also joining me in the show are all the friends, relatives, well-wishers who've been with the family in their troubling times. They will be joining me after a little while. But first, here's a quick recap of what really happened, what this poor family went through, and how a simple game of bat and ball turned to such a horror.
This is a very emotional moment for all of us. Not only for Mumbai police or for media, whatever. This is the place, this is the ceremonial lounge, you must be knowing. Here you come to receive the Prime Minister, the Presidents and all the dignitaries. Now we are receiving a very special guest. And a very special guest. A small toy again from Mumbai police. There are two occasions previously, it comes to my mind, accused were caught, but unfortunately the kidnapped children we could not retrieve live. And maybe this child, he had his luck, he had his own blessings.
मैं सिर्फ इतना कहूँगा, मुंबई पुलिस आप हीरो है, heads off to you.
Especially for all the women. Band, baja, dancing, just look at the reception here for Karnit. It looks like a wedding. The entire neighborhood is gathered here, wanting to catch a glimpse of the boy who's finally made it home safe and sound.
The entire neighborhood gathered as Karnit came home 20 days after he was abducted from the confines of this very colony by men in his neighborhood who first took him to Raigad and then Allahabad. It's a miracle that he was found unhurt.
सुबह हमको मिला, न्यूज़ पे मालूम पड़ा और पूरे बिल्डिंग में हमारे उत्साह है और हम लोगों ने काफ़ी मेहनत किया, सब पूरे बिल्डिंग ने पाठ रखा और हनुमान जी, काला हनुमान जी में जाके हनुमान जी का पाठ किया गया। बहुत सब लोगों ने कोशिश किया और विशेष करके मैं पुलिस को बहुत धन्यवाद दूंगा।
उसका कोई शब्दों में तो बयान नहीं कर सकते। इतना खुशी और आनंद का सवाल है कि आज हमारे घर में दिवाली चल रही है।
The fact that a man could walk into the premises of the compound and pick up a child and just walk out, all in a matter of few minutes, has shaken this entire neighborhood.
जब से ये जो बच्चा यहाँ से गया हुआ है, तब से हम लोग अपने बच्चे को अकेले नीचे खेलने के लिए नहीं भेज रहे थे. We were totally afraid.
We have changed the security.
A sense of disquiet that sadly remains even as celebrations look set to continue for the next few days. In Mumbai with Shai Venkatraman, Anusha Bose for NDTV.
Well, it's this very garden from where Karnit went missing. In fact, the cake shop is not too far away from where we stand currently. But through it all, there have been people who've stuck by with the family through the thick and thin. There were days of desperation, days when there were no phone calls. There was absolutely no idea of whether a ransom was being demanded. But a lot of people stayed with the family. They joined me today to speak about how difficult this time really was. And, you know, a lot of you all, the celebrations are still continuing. So, you know, the first time you saw Karnit, what was the feeling like? Describe it.
The feeling, you must have seen how the six was hit on the ball by Dhoni and how we won the World Cup. This experience was even better than that. So you can understand what was our experience when we had the first glimpse of Karnit and we had the first news of Karnit that yes, he's perfectly okay and things are fine and he's in our control now.
You know, in many ways, this is nothing short of a miracle because you didn't hear from the kidnappers for a very long time. So in that sense, this is really a miracle, isn't it?
It's a miracle. Basically, we would like to thank Mumbai police who didn't give up. You know, they were here 24/7, working day and night, and everybody was praying for Karnit. Maybe friends, neighbors, relatives, everybody was praying to God, you know. So he comes back home, and when we saw him safe and sound, it actually is a miracle for all of us.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.